Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. On the SUI chart, we have seen a bit of a pullback there, and it's possible that we're currently dealing with a corrective pullback actually. Yesterday I shared with you on the micro level here a bullish and a bearish scenario. Let's say short-term bullish, short-term bearish. They are at the moment all overall bullish as long as we are holding above the key support level at $1.32. For me, this is the level where the overall bullish assumption about SUI starts to break. Obviously, further confirmation will be needed, but that would be the thesis then, and the price would need to convince me of a more bullish structure again, that something more bullish is playing out. But for now, the idea is we are dealing with a pullback, which I am labeling actually in the white scenario as a wave 2 corrective pullback, which could result in a third wave rally to the upside in the white scenario. Then we could get another 4-5 pattern, So at the moment, the idea is that we're dealing with this pullback, which is an ABC structure, and could test the area between $1.70 or 1.706 and 1.913. And the C wave could be unfolding right now. And I'd like to see at least the 38.2 retracement reached at $1.91, maybe even the 50% fib level. That would be even better. I would normally like to see in a wave 2 that 50% retracement to be reached. Not always the case, and sometimes these, especially on smaller time frames, there are some distortions. So that is sort of my base case at the moment, that we're in this wave 2 pullback. It just looks a little bit more like that today. Now the yellow count is still possible, where we're heading down in a C wave into the wave 4 support area down there in the larger degree wave 4, which is, as I said, where the $1.32 level is relevant. But I keep it quite simple. So as long as we're holding that upper micro support, which I added today, we are likely in a wave 2. If the correction is in 3 waves, so if the pullback remains a 3-wave move, and as long as we're holding above $1.70, I'm looking for higher more directly in a third wave. So I'm watching for the start of a third wave from that region. Ideally not yet. Ideally we go a little lower before that happens. But either way, this is the key support. So the main risk level at the moment is $1.70, 1.706. A sustained break below it means that the $1.32 level will become key support again. And actually, the invalidation point for the white 1-2 setup is the low from the 28th of October, so located at $1.60. That's the invalidation point. But the warning level, where we get to know that things are already starting to change, well, that is the $1.60 level. That's the swing low from the 28th of October, which means today the focus is on these Fibonacci levels here. And let me tidy up we don't need that that lowest resistance level. I always try to keep the chart clean. What I want to share with you as well is that once we get a sustained break, so let's assume we go down here, form the nice 3-wave move down. If we then get a break above that B wave high, which is located around $2.11, that would be a good indication that the next move up has started in the third wave. But first I want to get that C wave below the A wave low, which means it should get below $1.98. That's what I want to see in this C wave to the downside, to reach 191 or 185, maybe even 178. So that's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, you can head over to our website. The link is in the description. On the website, you can head over to the subscription section, and there's a video or a couple of videos are there that explain to you all ins and outs of the membership, plus how you can get access to our Discord server. You get access to a Tradingview live chart, so the SUI chart, you will always see when things are changing live on the chart. You get access to short-term updates as gold members. Every Sunday we do a member live stream. You can ask questions, submit requests in that live stream that sometimes are picked. I can't cover them all, but that's sort of something that we do in the membership. Live streams, there's educational content, all sorts of stuff. Check it out if you're interested, and have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.